In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with QuickBooks Online. First, let's make sure you've got your computer ready and you're logged into your internet browser. Now head over to the QuickBooks website. If you don't have a QuickBooks account yet, now is the time to sign up. Follow the instructions on the screen to create your account. If you already have an account, click on Sign in to QuickBooks Online and enter your credentials. Once you're in, click on Continue as prompted. This process confirms your account and gets you to where you need to be. After you're logged in, you'll see a screen asking you to enter your password again for security purposes. Go ahead, type it in, and click Continue. You might find yourself choosing between different company files if you manage more than one business account through QuickBooks. Pick the right company file that you want to integrate with Shopify, which will direct you to the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, navigate to the My Integrations section found on your dashboard. This is where the magic happens, as it's the spot where QuickBooks interfaces with other applications. Click on Find Integrations and this will open up a list of apps and services that you can link with QuickBooks Online. In the search box, type in Shopify to initiate your search. You should see Shopify Connector by QuickBooks pop up in your results. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll find an option labeled Get Integration Now. Clicking this button will start the process of linking your Shopify and QuickBooks accounts. Next up, you'll be led through a series of steps. Click Next as you progress through any initial screens. You'll be presented with different options to configure your integration settings. When you come across an option tagged Highlight, select it to ensure your integration is focused correctly. You will go through a few Next buttons during this process. These generally confirm your desired settings before moving forward. After setting things up, be sure the start date is correct. If applicable, select Beginning of this year to ensure all transactions align. Click Next to keep the setup going. As you proceed, watch for the button labeled Continue. Clicking it will advance you to agree to any terms of service. Be sure to read and understand what you're agreeing to before clicking on Agree. Now it's time to enter your Shopify store address to integrate it with QuickBooks. Type in your shop URL, then hit Connect. That's it. You've successfully linked your Shopify account with QuickBooks Online. This seamless connection will help you manage transactions efficiently between these two powerful platforms. With this setup, you can focus more on running your business and less on manual data entry. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the convenience of your new integration.